Tragic. Very sad or terrible. The accident was tragic. The movie had a tragic ending. Corrupt. Dishonest or doing bad things for money or power. We must stop corrupt people. The corrupt man stole money. Stench. A very bad smell. The garbage has a stench. The fish had a bad stench. Rumor. A story or news that may not be true. I heard a rumor at school. Don't believe every rumor. Delirious. Very confused or not thinking clearly. The sick man was delirious. He was so tired he became delirious. Brooding. Thinking deeply about something in a sad way. Stop brooding and talk to me. She had a brooding look on her face. Obstacle. Something that makes it hard to move forward or succeed. The road had many obstacles. Fear is an obstacle to success. Welfare. Health, happiness, and well-being. Good food is important for welfare. Her welfare is important to us. Ponder. To think deeply about something. I ponder my future. He sat and pondered in silence. Captivating. Very interesting or charming. The view is captivating. He told a captivating story.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!